If you're considering PipelinePRO for your business, there are 7 things you need to know before making a purchase. This software promises to streamline your sales pipeline and improve your marketing automation, but does it really deliver? Stick around as we dive into the key features and comparisons with competitors so you can make an informed decision. Let's get into it. First off, PipelinePRO comes with a powerful CRM that helps you manage leads and sales in one place. Unlike some of the more traditional CRMs like Salesforce, which can feel a bit overwhelming with its complexity, PipelinePRO offers a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, even if you're new to the software. It combines simplicity with advanced features, making it a strong contender for anyone looking to improve their sales process without getting bogged down by unnecessary features. Next thing to consider is the automation. PipelinePRO shines here with its built-in automation tools that help you nurture leads automatically. Whether it's follow-up emails or sending out custom proposals, PipelinePRO allows you to set everything up in advance so you're not manually handling each step. When compared to alternatives like HubSpot, which also offers automation, PipelinePRO tends to be more affordable, with fewer limits on the number of actions you can set up. The third thing you should know is its reporting and analytics. PipelinePRO gives you a detailed look into how your leads are progressing through the pipeline, with real-time data that helps you adjust your strategy on the fly. If you're used to relying on tools like Zoho CRM, which often requires a separate integration for reporting, PipelinePRO consolidates everything within the platform, saving you time and hassle. Moving on to integrations. One of the things you'll love about PipelinePRO is its ability to integrate seamlessly with other tools you already use. Whether it's email marketing platforms, payment processors, or social media, it connects easily. This is a major advantage over some of its competitors, like Pipedrive, which can require more technical know-how to integrate with other software. PipelinePRO keeps it simple and ensures everything works together. The fifth thing you should be aware of is the customer support. PipelinePRO has built a reputation for excellent customer service, providing support through various channels, including live chat and a comprehensive knowledge base. If you've ever tried reaching support with a tool like ActiveCampaign and been stuck in a queue for hours, PipelinePRO might just be the relief you need. Their responsive team is one of the standout features for users who don't want to feel stranded when troubleshooting. Next up, the price. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, PipelinePRO offers a competitive pricing structure that doesn't lock you into long-term contracts. It's easy to scale with your business without breaking the bank, and you'll find that it holds up against pricier competitors like Salesforce, especially for smaller teams or startups. The ability to scale without skyrocketing costs is a huge plus for anyone growing their business. Finally, the customization options. PipelinePRO gives you the flexibility to tailor the software to fit your exact needs. Whether it's customizing fields in the CRM or adjusting the sales pipeline stages, this platform allows you to set things up in a way that works for you, when compared to other tools like Monday.com, which offers some customization but still operates within a more rigid structure. PipelinePRO gives you the freedom to design the workflow that best suits your business. If you're ready to try out PipelinePRO for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial available, along with some exclusive benefits. It's the best way to see if this software is right for you and your business without any commitment. Remember, choosing the right software for your sales pipeline is a big decision, and with PipelinePRO's user-friendly features, integrations, automation, and support, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.